Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another supply haul. Stay tuned to see what new goodies we have in stock. Just for the record, I'm so excited about what's in this package. So, without further ado, let's get started. Can't wait, y'all see how I'm opening up my bag. I know I'm not the only one who feels like that. Alright, so I said forget it. Let's just go ahead and grab these scissors and see what we have. So, I know I haven't been doing videos long, but I love doing customized photo charms. I believe that's my specialty. Alright, y'all, so after further inspection, I'm kind of disappointed with these because I wanted it's supposed to be two different kind of sizes, but you know what they say, reading is fundamental and you're supposed to read to understand. But I still like them. Yeah, I think they're gorgeous. I'm trying to work on finding photo charms that you can't just order, unique ones. I'm gonna say unique photo charms. So I'll probably do a video on one of these. I do have dog tag charms, but I like these. These are different. I haven't seen these. And I had already had these right here, but Mother's Day is coming up, so I want to make sure that I keep replenishing my stock whenever it starts to go down. So, and I have the gold one as well. So I had a request for somebody to that was looking for a dad one. So I'm still looking for those, but I did find the mom one, so I'm really excited about that. And these are another one. Usually my standard photo charms, circle photo charms, are 1 inch. This is a little bit more than 1 inch. And then I also do the little small ones. These aren't new. I've always had these. But I'm going to do a comparison so you guys can see the difference in size from my 1 inch. The moms are actually a 1 inch circle. You can see the difference. Yes, I'm excited about these. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them. I also wanted to see if I could find some butterfly ones too. But I do absolutely love doing these photo charms. It took me a while to find my technique. And now I'm just working on perfecting my technique. So this is my other stash. I have colors and all that great stuff, but I just wanted to show y'all a comparison of the circles and the size difference. Not too much bigger. Let's see, I think I have on my circles. Yeah. So this is the 1 inch. These are the circles for the 1 inch. So you guys let me know what you think about my new stash. And also, if you would like to see the other ones that I have, I would love to do a video on just showcasing the photo charms that I have. I think I'm a tad bit obsessed with them. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys come back, and I hope you one day look forward to supporting us or that one day we could teach you how to start your own customized photo charm business. See you next time.